Greetings everyone, this is Immaculate from IMA Recreation. We have been seeing lot of dice and race games from every culture. Today we are going to see a game called Haina. It is from Sudan. It is very ancient game, at least 1000 years old. So we will just see, it is very similar to the South Indian harvest game which we have seen. I am so surprised to see the similarities. So here they have any number of players. So they use the notation called mother and a Haina. Okay, so every player will have one mother and one Haina, and there are three dices, three shells. They usually use 3 sticks because in Indian culture we use shells. So I am demonstrating this. So this is 1, this is 2, this is 3. Everything closed is 6. That is how we are going to use. They use flat and curved surfaces. Okay, so every player will take turn and play, and mother has to get 1. Okay, 1 to start. They call it as a taba. So mother has to, based on the numbers they get, go around, okay, reach the well, and she has to put 1 daba to wash the clothes, 1 daba to fill the pot, then 1 daba to return back. This is also actually similar to our harvest games. Then she has to return back based on the things she gets. Here there is no cutting and there is no decision making also. If she has reached, and to reach the well and the village, she has to put exact number. Once she has reached, then she becomes Haina, or she unleashes the Haina. Now Haina gets double points. Okay, for Haina 1 is 2. He can go 2 phases. This is 4 and this is 6. And everything closed is actually 12 because everything closed. So that many phases Haina can go. After reaching there, Haina has to get 10 taba to drink water. And when Haina is coming back, it can eat any mothers who are coming or going and all that. So that's the game. We'll just try to see. And here only one small twist is there because they are saying all dabas, 1 can be saved, like to be used later. Okay, so let's see how to play. So the first player plays. So I'm using this as a yellow as a mother and this seed as a Haina. Again brown stone as a mother and brown seed as a Haina. Okay, so let's see. So 1, very good. So yellow got 1. So that is a taba. Taba can be saved. This is yellow's taba. So yellow's taba can be saved. So I will just save it here. Then we can move on. Okay, yellow's taba 1. And 1 you can play again. Somewhat similar to South Indian games. So wow, this is 6. So mother moves 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Correct. Now it's the other player's turn. So mother's 2. Mother cannot move. Now yellow mother can play. So yellow mother got 2. Yellow mother can move like that. Okay, and here there is no cutting. 2 mothers can be in the same day or same hole. So brown is again 2. They can't move. This mother can move again 1, or 1 can be saved. So yellow mother got 2 ones to be used later. So like that they say ones can be saved. So now black's turn. Black got 2, cannot play again, cannot move. So yellow mother got 2, like this. So again black's turn. Black mother, come on, get 1. No, why? Black mother is not getting 1. Now yellow mother is moving. Yellow mother got 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now black mother, please get 1. No. Yellow mother 2, 1, 2. So mother is actually reaching. See, I think there is one more line also. I just made this board little shorter. Wow, black mother got 1. So this mother got 1. 1 is saved now. Then she can play again. So when you get 1, you can play again. So again 1. Maybe this mother saves that 1. So ones are usually saved, so that you can use it to exactly reach the well. Or pay. Oh my God, black mother is getting 1 in a row. So again 1. Stone, black stone. Again 1. Wow, I will play again and see. Okay, 2. So I am saving 1 more 1 and 2. So this stone moves 2. 1, 2. Okay, so the other yellow mother got 2, like this 2. So like this, suppose they reach here. If she reaches here, she can use the saved ones. Okay, so suppose she reaches here, then she has to put exact number to reach there, right? So she can use, I was told she can use the saved numbers here. So here she has to put 1 again 2 times, then she can start a return journey. So return journey is again put the same numbers and come back here. So after coming back here, again she has to put the Suppose she is here. She has to get exact 1, 2, 3 to reach there, or she can use 3 dabbas. Okay, so that is why dabbas are used. And again, now once she reaches here, she has already won. Half the point she has won compared to other mothers. But she can leash Haina. To leash Haina, again she has to get once 2 times, or she can use once saved there. Then when she leashes the Haina, Haina can move at a faster rate. Suppose she leashed Haina. Haina ones are again saved, right? Because Haina also needs exact number of ones. So if Haina, suppose Haina gets, wow, that is 6. Haina can go 12 now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 like that. So suppose Haina has reached here. Haina has to drink water. She has to get 10 dabbas, 10 ones. After getting 10 ones, while coming back only, because Haina is stronger, it can eat mothers. Suppose a mother is here. Haina is here. Haina is coming back. If Haina gets 1, 2, 3, 4, Haina is jumping over. So it has eaten the mother. Mother will go back, whatever state she is in, whether she is coming in or going out. So this is the game. When you play with many number of people, it becomes so interesting. Okay, just try to play and see how do you like this game. And if you want, check our South Indian harvest game. Very similar. There we go, we sow, we reap, and we bring it back to the market. It is somewhat similar to that. But Haina concept is not there in the South Indian game. Please stay tuned and subscribe to our channel to see many such games comparisons from different cultures, and also to learn how to play. Thanks and bye. Immaculate.